Hi, welcome. This is a little information about how to use this new WordPress site. This is the Soft Comics Flow group. So if you want to make a post, you can click right in here. It should be up by your little icon, your little personal avatar. Click right. In my case, I'm going to try and embed a Prezi presentation, which actually I think won't work, but Tom's, and it's for now I'm gonna say more to come about this, so I can just demonstrate about posting. And all right, so it couldn't embed. That's fine. I'll convert it to a link. That's fine. What's important to do now is just to make sure it gets logged in the right way. So over here, go to Document and make sure you're the author, which is going to be assumed. And then figure out what category it goes into. In my case, this is structure. Sometimes it's announcement, sometimes it's sharing. I think we have a sharing link, some things like that. If you want to do some tags or something, feel free. Tom's book, whatever. This is key. The featured image. This makes the site look a little better if you don't already have an image in here. If you do, I think it'll take the featured image. If you don't, you need to set one. In my case, I'm going to go here. This is the thing I'm trying to embed, but it didn't embed, and that's fine. But what I am going to do is take a screen grab of it. Let's take a second. That'll do. So in my case, I've got a desktop. Oops, there we go. I've got a screen grab on the desktop. I clicked that image that said set featured image, and I'm just going to drop that in there. So it's uploading over here, and I'll hit insert, and that should do it. I could write an excerpt, stuff like that. That's not super important. If you understand how to do that stuff, then great. I'm going to hit publish. It asks again if you want to publish it, so double check that. I don't think I need to be asked twice, but that's okay. Published. Great. And it says view post, so we can view the post. And it's loading. Oh, and actually I did. Yeah. So that's what it looks like. And more to come about this. I'll comment on this. The home page, the reason we set the featured image, though, is so that shows up like that. And that makes it kind of pretty. You don't always have to set the featured image if you have a large enough image already in there, I think. I'll double check. So how about comments? The easiest way to leave a comment is to be on the page. Enter your comment here. Once you enter, it'll know who you are. Notify me of new comments via email will keep you updated. Post comment. That's pretty easy. Now you also should have some leeway on your identity. Actually, no, I don't think it's here, come to think of it. Oops. Let's close that. I think it's here, where your image is in the upper right. You can do account settings and notifications. For instance, do you want to get notified every time someone likes your comments or replies to your comments and things like that? So go take a look at that and set your own notifications. And lastly, give yourself an image, click to change photo. This is your public display name, and this is your about you if you want. But all of that will make the experience for everyone a little nicer and stuff like that. So that's basically it, just a little guidance around the site. Have fun, and I'll see you soon.